Hi guys, hello guys, hi guys. What do you say guys, hello guys. What do you say guys, how are you guys? And then you want some little my drinks I handizim teaching you well nene nekushibeko kwezwa riri kunoku nemashibira taita wezwa nekushiba kwadaita kwezwa iko kundashiba chokuti pano naimi hanzi haiti see auna ndipa you didn't give me tatete you didn't give me I was waiting and now you wanna esi no tukumbiro background resemende no hanzi pasimpatise pasimba pari bho pari kunakiza pasimba kumba unonakidza unongozati kumba kunonakidza here. Hi Ferry, kumba home is best one. Unoza one kuti home is best. Kumba konakidza chero svika yakuna chi kwazo ini yamene kwazo ingomeka shoti kumba koimaisa magetsi ingozvisira masola enyu moisa mvura enyu kunonakidza. Hanzi I send it. Unondiudza I didn't see it. I'll check it. Okay. Andina pekuisa phone uyakufona. Allo ndandikuti ndokufonera kana vanhu vati one day tiri kumbori pa 140 number bata ndokufonera back pa WhatsApp papa kana ukabata phone. So hi my sweetheart Baba Tonde, how are you my sweetheart? Hi my crew, how are you? Katie Mofana kurusei ku Germany today. No long time, how are you? Mrs. Serura Maigwe, so how are you guys? Kumba kunonakidza guys. Home is best guys. Kumba unoyezwa kuti zvakabhadhara unovamhepo chitifer uchituka dai uona sara shiona ukadai uona vari kubvunzana makuwa ukadai so uona vari kugoka dai ha kumba kunonakidza guys. Thank you Caroline, as I on point every day. Oh thank you. Okay, I'll check it atenda. I'll check it ka happiness kacha usukaziya minute kungove kumba iwe kumba kunonakidza wala nemuriwo chaiwo green yasi kumba kunonakidza guys. Anna Julia uchiri kusikiseri yes ndiriko but ndasina ndambomukana ndamboenda kuprasi makuseni usa ndasina kubatika ndazobatika late ndamboenda kumaprasi uko ndaenda kuprasi guys unotohwa musoro kutema shuwa unotohwa ukatotarisa ukasvikapo unotohwa kumusoro kudzungaira kuti paumana zvakaoma ibasa but anyway tichasvika anzi aimisisi vene hesi Cynthia hesi Diana zviri sei Edlina, how are you guys? Ngatifambe nebhora tine lady imbudza vanhu vari kuseri uko ndatoti zakokwana ndakagara navo ndichimbova rekodha nyaya dzimwe ndichazoposta time vlogs nyaya dzandandichiwako zvino vakomana chivari kumwado rekoko kuseri uko noise cho mvaisvika nekunoku amaona. Thank you Riri andisiveri nditengerewo sandwa nokuroja indoda kunogara pa2 rooms kangu nditengerei dei waitomboziva meme basa randinaro kunoku ka awaitombonditi nditengerei sola dei waitomboziva ndikutokudza kuti nditori nestress yekuprazuko zvokuti nditori nestress imwe isingatomboitsi but anyway zvakapakaipa. Kanisha, how are you? Zviri sei Sokobaye, how are you? Ella, how are you? Organic zvekutamba nematamba angu so andatotenga on our way from the farm ngaona matamba ngatenga matamba angu achirimo musaratombomadya musaratombomaputa matamba iwayo ndachimboti ndotakura true ndokuti kana ndakuda kuzoenda ndotenga mamuka ndotakura mwe true ndozondombonotadza vana Kelly vambomazivawo zvino hameno kuti zvichafamba sei. Marenovations ada kuitwa kunoka uku you don't wanna know wangu you don't wanna know haudi kuziva marenovations ari kuno guys kuenda uchisiya kana kuti property iri mumaoko evanhu uchiswa marojaka you don't wanna know guys, you don't wanna know but anyway it's fine. Panapa ndauya nemwe munhu guys wandauya naye musikana uya andibata akati pane nyaya yaari kuda kutaura ari kutaura ega and send link for life. Okay, ana kuna letra page diki saka ari kuda link, let me take the link and give you. Saka ari kuda kuti ati ndoda kuti nditaure nyaya ndega ndakazvimiririra nyaya yangu rega ndimpe link auye rega ndibve ndashare futi live yacho nerimwe page rega ndibve ndashare live nerimwe page
kutivizira foni yangu.
Natora. Right. Hi, Real Talk. How are you? Tendai Nyamunda, how are you? It's already life. Yes, it's life. Hanzi mojiga matamba nai. Regani mojiga matamba. Let me ndaguma kumajiga kare kudara dara taima tenga supermarkets up. But now it's been long. Regani mbomajiga tuone uchi how far. But sino jiga matamba takura chimajiga yesu. Takura chiga kuno kuri kitchen matamba itenga supermarket up. Sakata ijiga, right. Takwana namba chega ndi mudedze. Unfortunately guys, andina ime I was joking sine fantai. If and how are you? Did it born if how are you? Saka andina ime phone guys. Yekuisa pa side. Saka nchato ngokubatira imundu because ndantoko gara panze. Mapisira kuti kuno uraya mundu. Plus mbama chona maita tuana tidiki tu ma twins moto ya yangu turi kuona TV. Saka ndiba ndibvisa ndipine betri chita noise. Miraiti timufonere. Tidweni yashisere. Mukunzwa nti? Yes, Roy. Manje.
Oh, I'm on the live.
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, sister?
Ndiri bo, right. Ndiwo wauya ukati ndoda kuti ndimbofamba nenyaya yangu. Can you please switch off the other phone Masure? Because ndiri kuzvinzwa.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I took it off.
Yes, just switch it off. It Masure. That's Sareni phone one.
And this and this.
All right. I don't know why ndikunzwa. All right. Ndikunzwa echoes though. Yeah, I think it's my way kutona. Don't zima visa completely. Kana kwenda kuferanda uko. Right, yabo. Right. Tawuya ngana pano tawuya. So we don't mind you starting from the start enyaya. Tenzo nzikwisisa kuti zviri kufamba sei. Animona pakatangira nyaya namaishumba meyo kundisisa wangu. Chiwere. Pakatangira nyaya kuti tisvike pano patina chichakaitika. We have to start again kuti vanhu vakwanise kubatira nenyaya chindo chichakaitika.
Okay, so I'm not sure kuti
I didn't explain anything. So you can start from the word go. From the start.
Okay. From the start, okay. So I'll just apologize to everyone first, Kuti. My channel is not great. I grew up in UK, so that my channel is not that great. So I'll try, Auntie. So some of you might be aware, Kuti Pakane situation is critical in a musician announcement. The way it started, to be honest with you, I just heard his songs. I just heard his songs posted per my Sim Celebs, and I told Pharrell song, I can do my songs I can do, and I see. And yeah, so it was, and but I just knew two my songs. So one of the days I just posted my picture of myself on my Instagram, and I added his song to my status, and then I just added like a respect of a mention, you know, when you mention the artist who sang the song, because I have a lot of international followers. So sometimes when I have my Zimbabwean artists, I tag them so that people know the artist. When I tagged him, he requested me, because my profile is on private, he requested me, and yeah, that was it. So one day, it was his birthday, I saw him on his status post that it's his birthday, so I just said happy birthday. That's how we started talking. He replied, and then you know what, Semono Arikono Kuku England, but I just thought, actually, how do I explain it? I just thought, like, you know, he's a Zimbabwean man who's in England. And as we know, like, because Zimbabwe is not that easy. And the artist Akawia is not like to compare never with my international artists. So I just said to him, you know what, it's your birthday. I can send you something, maybe a small something for lunch just to appreciate you. And then over to, yeah, that's fine. I got my details, but yeah, so yeah, I was using World Remit because we use different systems. So yeah, long story short, like we then ended up arranging to meet up. He said, actually, you know what, we can meet up, and he asked for my number. After he asked for my number, we started talking on WhatsApp, and we just started getting along from the first. day, like to the point where that exact evening, angakutonditumira message kuti, oh, like, you know, what are you doing? When I told I'm watching a movie, she goes, I wish you were watching a movie this side, because we were actually talking and really getting along, right? So that was a connection from the beginning. Inini, I didn't know at that time kutanga anymore, right? Because like I said, the way that we started talking was just direct. And inini, I work and stuff, so it's not like I'm on social media a lot. So yeah, it was just very casual. We started talking. The next day I even said to him, okay, I'm gonna go and find him some stuff, because while we were talking, Nanda took a video call and we discussed bvudzi rake ndakamubvunza kuti ko madreadlocks ako kumachengeta sei, because ndikuona une bonnet. Shikanzi, I just need a bonnet. So I said, no, unofanira kuita spray and stuff. So I said, okay, I'll pick it up for him before I come and see him on the 24th. That was the day that we arranged. So that day that we met was the 22nd. At around 1 o'clock, I was watching my movie. On the 23rd, as I said, we were talking so much all through to the night. And she even said, Kuti, I want you to be coming here. I wish you could be watching a movie here. It turns out that day was actually his girlfriend's birthday. Okay. I didn't know he is the girlfriend. That day, I went out to get the stuff. Ndakatomtumira message ndakati, no, I'm so sorry I haven't texted you all day, because I was out all day. We had planned a lot of stuff for our first date. Tataplana kuti tinoenda out to London, and then Maniru kakani kune restaurant yatatoronga kuti tinoenda. So I had planned, I went out to get a dress, etc., you know, as you do. And when I tinga foods and other stuff that he asked me to get. Then on the 24th, I've got a lot of stuff and I need to change for the evening. So is it okay if I put my stuff in your room and then we go out, because I can't walk around in a big nation? He was like, yeah, it's fine. So the plan was we go out, she told Zoka, I change, and then we go for dinner. Yes, so we went, when we were going out, actually, his friend then said he wants to come along, and is it fine? I said, yeah, it's fine. So I'm telling you this because I'm trying to show you, it was like, Tatasna Kuronga, anything romantic, Muguza, like, Tatatoronga Kuti, we're just going to have fun and celebrate him for his birthday. But then his friend said he wants to come too, so it was no issue for me because it was just supposed to be something nice. But we didn't anticipate that it was going to be as intimate as we got. It got intimate to the point where obviously Panavashitsukakumba, he then asked me to, he said, you know, he can't wait to see me again. You know, it's okay, you don't have to see me again, because you know, Zokutima artists, you know, sometimes they just want to have fun for like minutes or something. So I said to him, Kuti, look, if I feel like this situation is very intimate, so that you don't have to. I don't want to be that girl right? Just for the sake of just sleeping with her. It's not who I am. But you know what? I enjoyed our time together, and it wasn't, you know, and you know, I know you don't have any my feelings or anything, but it's fine. You know, but when and I said, no, yeah, but it wasn't nothing to me. That's what he said. That's okay. She can say, okay, I want to see you again. So we planned again, and then we started. That's how we started, kind of like making it a little bit more something. Yeah, we're seeing each other, etc. And then the last time I saw him, I just felt like I wasn't sure. Taka nesana a little bit, nothing too serious, but tahango nesana. But the thing got serious because I don't like kushandiswa, like, so you need to be very honest with me if what your intentions are. That's what I said. And this is on text message. So that's where Takatala makes and I feel like you're not being very honest about this situation, because sometimes but inga one wakachizout in Sean, you didn't say anything. You didn't tell me anything. but ndakaposta mukadzi wangu. Ndakati, Sean, I didn't see the post because I was actually out getting things for you. And yeah, I didn't. I told him that I was out getting things for him. So I don't want to see you. That's the last time that I saw him. And I told him that I didn't want to see him again. But he's not being honest with me. But he insisted and he said, no, I want something more with you. It was not just sex. We want to do something together. I want us to be more than that. I don't want you to be distant from me. But I wasn't feeling like I trusted. I still felt like punish and do me. Anyway, ndakaramba kunomona akatouya achinita oda kundiona 40. He's got 5 days off and he wants to spend the time with me. Nemwana wangu, I've got a small young daughter. I thought I could have put on and spend those 5 days and he wants to do the other stuff that we plan to do. Dagamoti no, because I feel like you would only Shandisa. Anyway, Dagamsia, I think about a week later or something, I was starting to smell things very strongly. This is very strange. So I just thought, let me take a pregnancy test. Then I took the pregnancy test and it was a very faint line, but yangairi positive. Right? So pandakajo it one out into positive. Ndakaudza shamwari ya Sean as well because they were together, and I told, because me and Sean were not talking, I think ndakaona kuti angandibloga. So I just told his friend, because like, can you please tell Sean kuti ndine nombo panapa? And then I didn't hear anything. The other thing was, now I was very upset. So, and you could ignore, and I just felt some type of way because I felt like there's no way you can just now like not say anything. And even without some cards for Ajab, because I felt like I didn't know what else to do at that time. Without some cards, by the way, like there was something happening with me and Sean, but and didn't know like. And then she started calling me. At first, I was scared because I don't of which she had the right to. But then we actually talked. I told her we're both victims here because I didn't know anything about this. Whatever. And then at the same time as I started talking to her, and I got a message, I'm Sean's sister, right? At that time, my brother had found out, and that was a brother because I was really in a bad place. I was crying, I was upset. It was a big shock to me, but I didn't remember all of this stuff because it was too much. And me and Sean were not talking, so obviously to know something I planned, it's not something I wanted. So my brother said, it's not right, because here in the UK, you cannot sleep with somebody or lie to them. Right? So kashakaita zvokuti akandinyepera kuti ana kundiudza kuti ane mukadzi, like, or he didn't explain to me the situation yaanga achida kuti, or just explaining to me that he wants he doesn't want anything serious. That was a lie towards my part, because he made me feel like he wants something serious. So in UK, that's a crime, right? It's a big crime, and you can't. And they call it sexual coercion. They call it sexual coercion and manipulation. So my brother said, Sean, right? So I pleaded with the sister, can you please talk to Sean? Because I just want everything to be fine. It's better and I just need Sean to talk to my brother if he doesn't want to talk to me. But we need to talk about this. No, period. Because right now my family are not happy, and of course they feel like Dakashandiswa, and it's not right. I can't because that's what you do, especially Kanone Numbu. They have the policies here say Kanone Numbu, you have to report such things early, because otherwise something happens later. Akandita say they'll say you didn't a problem because I didn't report these issues at the beginning. So and I ran in pressure, and I pleaded and I pleaded and I pleaded. They ignored. Sean ignored my brother. My brother sent Sean a message. He ignored my brother. The sister ignored me. The sister ignored my brother, who tried to also talk to her. And then in the end, my family said, and I'm not a reporter, because this is a normal way to treat people. So The next, I told the girlfriend, look, I now don't have a choice because you see the toenail pressure, so I'm going to have to report tomorrow because my brother is saying if I don't report, he's going to report for me. So I went to the police office the next day. I should tell on Sean Friday. That day was a Sunday when I was begging them. The next day was a Monday, and then I talked to Sean on the Friday. Sean, on the Friday, told me kuti anga asina tumbodzwa kuti nyaya iri kuenda kumapurisa. Not just that, it turned out kuti mukadzi wacho was the one pretending to be she was pretending to be the sister. There was no sister that I talked to. But I talked to your sister. Which sister? So I showed him the number. Your number, and she was with her friend. So then it turned out kuti saka pesa apa vana vaizwa kuti nyaya iri serious. Shona kufana kugadzisa nyaya yake, and they kept quiet, and it hurt me because I didn't understand why they would do that. Because I was really trying for things not to get bad, right? And then fast forward in Nyaya, the whole time, each time in Nation we try to talk, but then over time when took wrong Nyaya and singers, actually I'm not threatening you. Where we are now, I found out where all this time Vanavayeza Kufaritira Kutichi, Barikurora, Sandy. As you all know, Kutivaka post oh my wife I choose Ravano Kutivaka Avana Kurora. They were not married. So this girl knew this, and instead of Kuta Munwaki, Anapumota, Kuti, can you go and fix this issue because it can be a problem? She decided to play my games Akiwayo just so that Kuti Anurorwa. Right? So the reason why I came to Sismeli, because I said Sismeli is not in Dagachi threatenwa, because they were saying if I tell my story, if I tell anybody that I'm pregnant, it was making it seem like if I speak up, they're going to they're going to humiliate me by making me go viral, right? With their own narrative. Because she's telling people I'm a prostitute. I'm not a prostitute. We never exchanged. I was never offered any money. I never took any money from Sean. Never. We were just two people that just enjoyed each other's company. And my reputation was being ruined. Because it's now going to look like I'm the one who's trying to cause problems for Sean, but it was never me. Because I saw this whole time, I also shown a different story. I chose a Sean because she just wants to do problems for us. But ndicheza kumbira chitochi kune mukadzi chitaura naye zvakanaka ndisingazive kuti ari kuenda achitaura different story kuna Sean, achiudza Sean kuti musikana uyu ari kurithreatena ari kuita sei. Apa takachitobwira ndichifunga kuti ini nemukadzi amashi being nice to her, takatotukwa naSean jekanzi what why are you saying talking to my wife, ndichishaya kuti sei ane hasha neni, But I just wanted to come and tell my truth. Because guys, I really tried because I didn't want this whole thing. They're saying a lot of things about me. But in all of this, I was actually trying to save his career. Right? But now, I praise there's charges at the police station. It's going to affect a lot of things. Correct. But I just wanted people to know the truth, because you guys, I really tried to save this issue. It's not like I'm trying to ruin his career. I really tried to support him. That is how I even got here. Ndingaitoedza supporter as an artist. Pavakari kuno ndakatoedza kuarrange a meeting with my friends who's in touch with some big names in the music industry and the acting industry.
Okay. All right. So can I
But
ask
yeah,
you
that's the full story.
can I ask you some questions, my sister? So you the
Yes.
first date you had with Sean Ramaiti Mamchida kwenda kufan, you didn't plan to be romantic, and then it just happened.
Yeah.
So, were you drunk or you were sober?
I was sober.
You were sober. Okay. So
Yeah.
so if you were sober, you did this sex which willingly, individual.
Yes, but that is not how sexual coercion works.
Oh, okay. How does it work?
The way, that's what I was explaining, because sexual coercion is if somebody lies to you in order to obtain sex. And okay, me and you are husband and wife, auntie. But I might be husband and wife in a way. Yes, I still love you, but if I tell you, Kuti, I don't want to have sex with you, but you can force anti-rape, right? Because you've taken that decision from me. Sexual coercion, the sexual coercion, because one in order to obtain that sex. So if you try to tell me, Kuti, unondida, it's our first date, we are going to be having something wrong. Not just romantic, but if you tell me, Kuti, if you're telling me that you want to, we're friends, even if you're telling me we're friends, we're just having a good time, if we're intimate, you'll see you're not occupied with Nemuno. Because at this point he didn't tell me, Kuti, do you see what I'm trying to say? If he had been honest and said, Kuti, by the way, Bicharora, right? That would have been different. It means he took away that decision for me to say I don't want to sleep with you.
Okay, no. You know the reason why I'm asking my sister. We just want to clarify kubani kuti pave ne clarification yakachena yakajeka so that wananyatsokunzwisisa. So I'm not asking questions because I'm trying to throw you under the bus or what, but we just want kuti tingonyatsokunzwisisa munhu ese anzwisisa. Yes. So because soon after you knew kuti pakurarana pa sex yamakaita musina condom that very day you could get pregnant. Auntie, first day masangana, didn't you ever think of taking in the morning after?
No, the first day. The first day, yes, that happened. But I was past ovulation, so I actually thought, Kuti, like, I don't know, those who are women know, okay, after ovulation, fine. But even then, after ovulation and the whole morning after, if I'm honest, I just got busy, if I'm really being honest with you. I just got so busy. And I just completely forgot about the whole thing. And then the second time, so that's when I said, no, like, I think we need to get. But again, things got busy. But I just thought, it should be fine because I'm past ovulation. That's what I just genuinely thought. Like, I was just naive about the situation.
Okay, so now you spoke to this lady before. You went to the wife ukamuta kuti I've been having a thing na Sean antika kwatani mukadzi wachona ye and this ziva angu kuti after you had this my episodes and sex na Sean iwe haunambono check out, like you were now falling in love with this guy, haunamboenda kupage here unotarsawo kuti kuri post wewo chi ani for you to get, because from the comment section about Danzi Sean always posts munhu wake. Some of us we don't go like some of us we don't go on Instagram like that, Nancy. So let us not assume Instagram or I'm not assuming, I'm just asking. Yeah, I'm just asking a question.
No, it's not. Sorry, I'm not also directing my question.
Okay, all right. Okay,
yeah.
All right.
So I'm saying, that's just the fact. Because at that time, I was working 2 jobs and I run my own business, just to get you to understand, Auntie. So I need to go to my Instagram, no notification. So for example, Sean Parkani request and I got a notification someone's requested you. I've requested. So it's only like those people that I follow. Though and you don't Tarisa Pama stories are what are these people doing? I don't really go out my way to go and kunochaganya. Do you see what I'm trying to say?
But this is not. This is not kunochaganya. This was a guy now that you are falling in love with. That you had fallen in love with.
I want to explain about this post. Saying I want to explain about this post. When he posted that birthday, I told you, me and him were talking. He was talking to me. I Shonisi, I want you to come. That same day he posted about her birthday. That's the same day he was telling me, I want you to come. So I was out the whole day. I was not with my phone. I'm busy. I was busy the whole day. I even showed, like, for some of those people that know me, I showed my V11s. I'm going to guys, these are the screenshots from the conversations with this guy on that day. I message him and I show apologize. But sorry, Sean, I got phone the whole day because I was busy.
Okay.
So I didn't even see. I just want to clear what you're asking. I've got. I saw the poster shown. Are you sure Kuti Munuyana and I'm chatting? Because he's just posted Kuti my wife. What? So then I confronted Sean. Instead of, I didn't have to go on a check because I confronted Sean. Sean, why are people saying Kuti, you have a wife? Right? Shiganzi, now Sean, it's more like a girl. Auntie, it's a girlfriend. She's not my wife. That's what he said. He was like, it's a girlfriend. It's not my wife. Nagati, but think I want when you're Kuti wife. Chiganzi, we've been together for a while, so it's more like a wife, but she's just a girlfriend. Dagati, but Sean, you were supposed to tell me. So I actually had that conversation, and that's what I was trying to explain. Kuti, after that time, I never saw him again because so I didn't see him again.
Okay, so after now you were all this today after today you felt let me just come and say some method of the story because you were triggered by this poster weekend.
No, it wasn't triggered. I started telling my story before I even knew Kutwarugurora. I started telling my story and then I was being intimidated Kutindisa Taure auntie. So I was like, I didn't understand why. That was your phone on Saturday. Of which everybody knows, nobody knew about it because they tried to make it hush hush. Sunday. Even I didn't know. I didn't know yeah, so I started, for those who know, who do follow me, when on this Indian, when it was I think Thursday. I decided to come out. What triggered me was because I was being intimidated. Even I shouldn't say anything. Meanwhile, I was really upset because he was treating me like he was saying but then at the same time he was acting very funny. And then I felt like there was a lot of hostility and I was being told to kind of keep quiet about the whole thing. I didn't like that. I didn't like being put in a corner. And I should just suffer and so that's what triggered me to story. So when I started telling my story, that's when someone was like, but did you know what's Kurora? Because in any pandai tara story anyone can testify they thought tara story
okay, all right. So you were left. So right now, how far are you? The pregnancy.
Sorry. December. That's another thing. She lied to me and told me they got married in December.
Sakamanja, how far are you? Pregnant? No,
I'm just 7 weeks.
7 weeks, all right. Hey.
Yeah, I think 7. It's 7. What did you 7? Yeah, 7, 8 weeks. Yeah.
Okay. So Sean wamuze right now ari kuti nduda mwana wangu. So chengeta ako mimbu mwana wangu nchatengeta ndo zarutaura.
Obviously we need to do the normal DNA. I don't mind DNA whatever she scan, but it's about scan and yeah, but kuna UK you don't just go scan because we're not going to scan 11 weeks. 11 weeks and above, that's when they arrange a scan for you. So I think I was only like 5 weeks. So I told them, no, I can't just go to scan. That's not how it works. We're not going to near hospital. So I think he didn't understand or something. But then it's not that he didn't actually. I realized so I was like telling him, I was trying to tell him, no, I can't just go to the scan. So I think I was in Sean, if you want to, you can book a private scan. But it doesn't make sense for me to book a private scan. I've got nothing to hide. So yeah, but okay, book the private. I can do I know better. So when I now said to him, okay, I come to my information, yes, a private scan. I should change my mind. Okay, that is fine, but you need to understand, DNA it means kuti inenge yakuita mwana azharwa. Saka what do you want me to do in the 9 months? Does that mean kuti you're not going to support me? Because ndakachimubvunza because obviously ndine hama dzangu ka. My father at this point now knew. So my family are also asking me kuti what's your plan? Angasiri kunditaira.
So you right now I'm asking you too, what's your plan?
Inini my plan, inini I'm okay. Like I said, even my dad was like, we're not going to force them. It's not like tukuchaga mariavo. We just wanted kuti mwana azive hama dzake. Chet. It's not like akakumbura mari anakuforce ati ndakatomudza Sean kuti shamwari kana usingadeka, just tell me, just wage your rights, because handisi kukuforce, but I just need to know where I am. Because as I am, I told you I work, I have my own things, I can look after mwana wangu. My family no. Saka kwedu kumba kwedu, my family we are very much okay. Ane hama dzake dzinomchengeta. So it's not like turikuchaga anything kuna Sean.
Vaitoda kurorwawo zvako. Unfortunately yakabvanurira
musikana. No, because ndatomsiya. It's not like ndikuda kurorwa because Sean ndatosiyana naye. Do you know what I mean? Ndakuudza kuti ndatomusiregera before I knew I was pregnant. I had already told him kuti no, I don't want to be with you because I like you lying to me. Okay. So I had already broken up with him before I knew I was pregnant.
So you just came so that you can tell the story, your side of the story, and to expose him, right, guys? So murukunzwa nditika Shoni ZW muimbi ndo nyaya yake itakamboiposta kudhara uko yauya zvakare musikana uitikaza kuti yapera, but azodzoka zvakare akati now ndoda iri life, I want to say the side of my story kuti vanhu vazive kuti Shoni munhu akaita sei, akandinyepera, he lied to me from day one kuti hana mukadzi, akazoti zvabatwa kuti ndine zvaonekwa kuti ane mukadzi ndopakaotenga kuti ndine mukadzi and what blah blah blah, akutaura zvimwe antimaona. So ndo zvangauya kuti ari kuzame akukudzei. So Shoni, if you are listening, chimoko chako chiri pano nenhumbu yako ine 7 weeks chiri pano, sikuda kusati chine nhumbu, and zvakare kana iwewo uri kudawo kuuyawo
Sorry, I just wanted to correct you, right? This issue happened because Sean Ainyepero.
Okay.
That's the major thing I want to expose, because the problem is munhu ari kumunyepera akachienda achifamba achiudza vanhu kuti ini ndiri kunyepa ndina nhumbu, ndiri kunyepa
iye mukadzi waShoni waarora uyu.
Mukadzi waShoni.
So you feeling kuti mukadzi uyu atrapa Sean into this marriage?
I don't know, but I just needed to tell the truth, because I tried to tell Sean, Sean, I tried to stop this thing from the police, but why mukadzi wako asina kukuudza?
Saka mapurisa achaenda nomutora kuZimbabwe here Sean?
No, so what happens now is, okay, can I explain to you how serious it is? Is
okay, yeah, you can explain to Dzidzawo.
The reason why I was trying to stop it is because kana nyaya iyi yazvosvika kumapurisa kuno ku-UK, right? First of all, you kunonzi cross-border police. Mapurisa anogona kuinstructa mapurisa ekuZimbabwe kuti tikufana, can you deal with this issue? Because what they do is, if they can't get the police to deal with the issue from Zimbabwe, right? Especially because sexual coercion is actually a serious crime. I know Zimbabwe these things are not very serious, but kuno is a very serious. Right? So if you are involved in any crimes like this, what happens is we're not going to inform my police in Zimbabwe as well. But it's not about getting arrested. It means Sean, you need to remember Sean was on a work visa, auntie. Nyai inoshika ku home office anenge akutaza kana kuenda anyway, because wakaita issue ne visa kuno ku England vanokuvharidzira kwese kuAmerica, Canada, Australia, you cannot go there, unodzingirwa visa, right? That's number one. Number two, it means kuti kuno ku England you'll be on a list if you do anything, if you lie to women to obtain sex, if you manipulate women, if you get into any domestic kind of situation where you're intimidating children, the fact that they were abusing me, intimidating me to stay quiet, if you're doing any of those things, unaisa pa register, right? And a register for abusers. So
Okay.
I knew all of these things because I know I live in England. I was raised here. So when I was fighting with them, because guys, in India, I just told them because Kanzura career, it's gonna ruin his career. He won't be able to go. Manje Kandayuza Sean, Anga told them I'm gonna threaten her. Of which I was, so anytime I tried to bring up Sean, can we really discuss this? I was threaten her. Of which I was like, no. I tried from the beginning. Mukadzi akaenda kunonyepera Sean kuti hana mbotaura neni. Ndozvakamudza. But I have the evidence. Because I pleaded. Ndakatozviposta kustatus wangu kuti guys, I'm not lying. When I told beg and ndakati ndichitoti please, I'm actually really trying to be amicable. Mukadzi akanyarara, hana kutaura anything. Because here aida kurorwa, so she didn't want to risk kuti inina Sean titaurirani. Tiwirirani.
Okay. So, pakaipa. So, iwo baba mwana wako Kava. Watoti basa rato utovadzingisa kusapinda mu-UK veduwe zvemapurisa izvi. Kuwadi kuchingomira mukuzvitaurirana because achazoda kuuya kachida kuona mwana wake ku-UK kwachona zvozodii.
Sincerely, this is the law in UK, especially kana one nombo. That's what I'm saying, Kakuti. I'm trying to plead na Sean. Because unovunza kuna my midwives are not kuvunza questionnaire. I even sent a message to him and I posted it on my story. Nakati guys, because I told him, Sean, I met the midwife. They need some information. I can't ignore. Right? Because what they do at the midwife, what's the father's name? What's the father, Lingi? Is he supporting you? What is he saying? What is his plan? So if I tell them, if Aramba, do you know what they'll say? They'll say, why? And then they want the full story. Saka, that's what I'm saying, I had no choice. Because if I don't report, what would have happened is they would have said Nini and this could protect mwana from kundi abuser. And then mwana no torwa. Unotorirwa mwana kana mwana jarwa. Do you know that?
Yeah. I know some.
That's what they do. That's what they do, Sismeli. I think you know this because you live in England. They will report you and say abusive situation, and then they will say so that's why I was begging with them, guys, but you're giving me no choice. And for me to also have to inform your employers because they're the ones who have the visa. So then if I don't do those things, so I had no choice.
All right. Okay, thank you very much. Hello, my brother. Tiripo, how are you?
But we all needed the best of everybody, but yeah,
Okay.
I even tried to reach out to him and come to that. Really go kana wane mbiri echichi of course madzimai anouya kwauri achingomhanya chichichi but mufana angu be responsible but mufana angu ane dzungu.
Okay, so mfana wako you abva atonoroora paweekend manje apa chimoko chine breakfast
imagine mufana angu ane dzungu mufana angu but ndikubvunza mufana angu kwaari kubva siya wabhara madho ako but mufana wangu ane dzungu mufana angu hazvigone izvozvo.
Because kana zvataurwa nemusikana chiri chokwadi kureva kuti anogona akasauya kukoti or whatever anogona kutozokanganisirwa kupinda next visit yake mu-UK kubasa.
One thing I'm going to tell you is make no doubt zvotaurwa nasisi vangu ichokwadi kunoku kune inozvinonzi Coldplay. It's a big international band handiti rine terms and conditions. Just because une chiuno iwewe ka hazvingevevi kuti unokwanisa kungojamba mutemo yeColdplay. It's an international band. Kune terms nema-conditions aunofanira kuita sei adhere to. You need to adhere to. Sorry, I don't know if there's one way to say. So what mfana wangu did akajamba mutemo yese ndobva ngoti muchuno ndobva ngoti hayi sisina muchuno. Wazvoona ka? Tiwana vane chiuno zvinobva nepanangu atamisa chiuno chichi wanzvona. But asi kuziva manje kwenze manje kwenzi ndio ine nyaya. Kumaguma kwese kune nyaya. Kumaguma kwese kune nyaya. Saka mufana ndatomumuyambira taindiignore but regai tingopedzera nyaya shina panapa because ndiyatisvitsa pano. All I can tell you is my terms and my conditions engagement yake akabreachwa zvisingaiti. I even feel for him. I wish he would have reached for me earlier. I would have done my best, but tuapana chatinooma musoro tumatuke etu tuapana tu tinongooma musoro.
Skana is a British, guys. No British. Skana, I got a British passport. She's a British woman.
She's a bad girl. She's my friend. She's my she's my she's my everything. Yeah. She's my girl. She's everything. I would do whatever it needs to be done. Yes. So ndaitombodza mufana okay mufana wangu ayambuka but dzikama mufana wangu chiuno chikachishoma chichi handichi. But he didn't want to listen to me. We are here now.
Yeah.
Sister yaisa nyaya kupi kuseri manje. Zvakukonzeresa kuti Coldplay yacho ipindire, magovernment eBritain apindire, entertainment industry ipindire, immigration ipindire. Is it even worth it? Is it worth it? It's not even worth it. Guys, we need to look into the bigger picture. We didn't need to go this far. The girl just needed to be understood. She was crying out loud for what she wanted from what the people had. I know they had something between them. It's not for us to say, hey, no. They had what they had between them and did it. It could have led to a marriage. It could have led to a wedding. It could have led to a lifelong marriage. But we don't know this. We don't know this. What we need to do right now is we need to understand and to try and tell in as much as fame but we also need to, I don't know, we need to also to cut his tail because I think it's getting too long before he is well established.
All right. Hello, my dear.
Hello, Smelly, what do you say?
What do you say?
Actually, there's two ways to this story.
Okay.
I think tofana kunzwa shona kuti shona kuda kuti chi ninyaya iyi. Because musikana uyu asi kutiudza kuti at a age hazi kuti kune morning and after. At a age anongofunga kuti akangoiswa akutochengeta nhumbu mazuva ano zvava zvekutaurirana. She's an adult. She's not a child yokuti haazivi kuti there's a contraception. She actually knows about her ovulation. So she trapped this guy into having a baby because he didn't want to have a baby. Mazvano ndozvekutaurirana zvasisiri nguye kuti takungozvara vana. Saka mukomana inini I'm a mother for boy child and I do not want people to keep on saying kuda kungobatira vana ukomana just because you're a woman and you think the law will always be on your side.
Okay, so can I just ask a question?
Sorry, can I please? I don't want to argue. I just want to say my point. Then it's an adult. One these days, especially number per WhatsApp and what not. There is the internet. I Google your name, I find out all your handles. And Sean and whatever his name is, he's a celebrity, some type, I don't even know him. And he's married is what? Dig information. Women, let's not be ignorant because we know these things.
Right. Thank you very much for
Can I just, Sis Melly, can I reply to that?
Yes.
Can I
All
reply?
right,
Yes, you can.
before let me go. Let me
Okay.
go. One thing I would defend right now is
Sis Melly, can you just wait a second, please?
You were supposed to wait. What's wrong with you?
I can't hear you. I can't hear. Sorry.
Let me go first, then you go.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, so the point I was trying to make, right? Listen, I'm not even about kuti, hey, vakadzi kana maita lusi munofange mine a way forward chichi. Pamwe pacho, no, do you know a morning after is not a guaranteed way of contraception? Did you even know this? You didn't know. Everything is conditional. My terms angari personal depend. Contraception is not universal. And it unotoona mapirizi emaunga kuti zvotokujamba wotosvamisika kuti ko ndane nhumbi ine 6 months ko ndakanoma contraception mu1 zviriko. So one thing I'm going to tell these ladies, Siso wangu makavharika, but it's okay. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt. I think you're a good person. But the bottom line is, where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Let's have a solution.
Okay, thank you, PM. Can I just comment on this, please? Can I reply her? I want to reply her, okay? The thing is, please don't talk to me like I'm a child, and I'm using when I'm big. I'm not a perfect person, right? I'm not a perfect person. I had feelings. So I'm going to hold like a connection and things. And most of perfect at the same, I'm not denying what I did was perfect. But please don't accuse me. I didn't kind of I'm not the one who liked to show Kurorwa. I did not do anything because at the end of the day, one, I never asked this man, don't accuse me, Kuti, like, what do I need to trap Sean? Like, think about it. Sisimeli, I think you can confirm. I've got a British passport, right? I run my business. If I'm working, what do I need to, what do I gain from trapping Munariku Zimbabwe? Please help me understand why we're not into Zimbabwe. Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. Like, what do I gain from trapping Sean? What do I even gain? Watching this Sean, guys, do you understand what you do to England? We are more exposed to one very bigger than Sean. We are exposed to more money just because Sean Anita music. Maria Anita music is not even half the money that some of my friends make. Right? Some of my friends, the friends that I work with alone, I told you I run my own things. And when I'm going to do, okay, Sis Melly, I can tell you one thing. When I'm going to private school, do you know how much? Can you confirm? Because how expensive private school? Can you confirm how much it is? No.
In the UK, private school is not for everybody.
Aiwa, mirai nditange ndataura ndindauya kola vane voice chimbomirai. Kola vari kuningirina mirai ngotaura mama mozokontinya zvinhu. Is that okay, Sis Melly?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So, ndateerera zvangu nyaya from the beginning, anditi. And to me, it sounded like it was a fling. Like you said, wewe kuti tarango, I wanted to see him, and it was his birthday. I just thought I'll spoil him. I got him this, and I got him something for his dreadlocks, and I did that. And then after that, I told him, you know what? I don't want you to think wait, and I screw out into say, and then you realize then you were pregnant. And then all of a sudden, mukomana ari kuZimbabwe, asina mari, asina chi, ndiyo wawa kudai zvinezvi.
Well, it wasn't all of a sudden.
It sounded like a fling. And to me, it sounds like you just want to punish this guy for nothing. because it was a fling.
Oh,
You
but
can
I
start
had
flinging the
already
moon.
left him.
You
That's
need
what
to
I'm
be
trying to
responsible.
explain, guys. If we're going to attack me, can you please at least tell the truth? Because that's not fair. You can't come
I'm
and
just going by
like
what you said.
attack me without things that are not the truth. Yeah, that's okay. But I'm saying, Kuti, let us stick to the facts. Yeah, like definitely stated, like I had already broken up with Sean
Exactly.
before. So if I'm saying if I've broken up with somebody, that means Kuti, I had already let him go. Like there was no, it's not like Ndagachi Mchaga. I had already said like, you know, I don't like how you're moving. And you're right, it was a fling. So the fling ended. And then I realized, Kuti, no, I'm doing number. And when I'm, you know, easy. Okay, can I also, maybe because I grew up in UK, maybe I can't say
I'm also in
number
UK.
because I don't understand, like, is what the issue is here. Are people mad at me, Kuti, Numbo? Or are people mad at
Aiwa,
me, Kuti,
it's the
Sean?
way you
I need to
stated,
understand which is his.
Kuti, it's the way you said, Kuti, and what I wrote, it was just a fling. Now you're saying you were coerced. Huh? Did he promise you marriage before that fling?
I explained
Did
what
he promise
sexual
you any of
coercion
those?
is. I explained what
Wait,
sexual coercion
no,
is.
no,
It
it's
wasn't
What were
just
okay.
you
a fling.
coerced? What were you
Let me also
promised?
answer that.
Wakapromised
At least let me answer that. Aiwa,
iwewe ndoda
sisi
kutodestroya mukomana from my own
no, sisi,
point of
aiwa,
view.
sisi imbotaura neni first.
These things have
Wakudisaidza
evidence, by the way, guys.
wakudisaidza.
So I think it's good that you kind of like understand that I have evidence for everything I'm saying.
Kana paitika fling handitika iwo uzozoti hey mukadzi akazoita so you are now downgrading women. You are a woman, why are you downgrading women?
I'm not, because I don't just go in
Utori
the flings
mukadzi
and start
pachako iwewe
putting
handitika vanhu vakanyengana vakapromisana zviweti zvavo iwe handitika. Now you are trying to put a blame on the woman's side. The fuck, who even does that?
Let me tell you why.
It's an
Let me tell
equal
you why.
opportunity for everybody. Everybody came
Mukoma
through.
Mark PM.
Vakawirirana handitika vakaita zvavakaita handitika. Why are you even trying to come with a blame game on the girl child? The fuck, who does that?
Mukoma PM. Kuita ma-FF ningirikine panapa masikati and panapa pane vana vanopinda pamaprograms akadai so vanenge vada kudzidza saka ngatiregedze kutaura mawedzi akadaro handisi kuti simeli vanozvibvumira.
Just answer what I asked you to do is to say.
Saka zvandinoda kutaura ndezvekuti inini ndichitaura from my own point of view semunhukadzi
answer the specs.
handingonovhura makumbo kune munhu wandangosangana naye for a fling ndapedza ndobva ndaita nhumbu yangu mukadzi ndounoziva kuti unoita nhumbu handiti ndinoziva kuti ndinoita nhumbu ndini ndofanira kumeka sure kuti ndiri protected ndamwa macontraception angu here kana ndisina ndapfekedza munhu wangu here kana ndapfekawo here nini handiti toita zvatoita kana tapedza iri fling ndoenda kwandoenda mberi zvekuda kuzomutadzisa kuti atadzopinda dzimwe nyika
Why are you calling it a fling in the first place? Who told you it was a fling? Who said it was a fling?
She said it.
It wasn't a fling. It was an arranged meet up.
Yes. Mukoma MC kana muri kuda mukadzi munogona kumuda but you don't defend him.
Is someone just disrespecting me for their own opinion? So I mean, can we keep it respectful? Because if you feel, Kuti, you don't like what I did, fine. That's okay for you to have an opinion. Everybody's got an opinion. But don't come and attack me for your own assumptions.
Exactly.
It's not assumptions. I just listen to everything.
We are having a conversation. You cannot just fucking put your weight on somebody. Just because.
MC, urikudawo mukadzi iwewe. Ndosaka tikuza kuti urikudawo ipapa pama-British passport.
Ava ndisisi vangu so rako for your own information ndisisi vangu anyway so that you understand. Ndisisi vangu. Usambofa wakada kuenda kuseri kwakuseri ndisisi vangu.
Naika.
Sitokumuraumbotaura.
Tidzikama utaura zvine musoro at least tidzikama utaura zvine musoro totangira ipapo.
Mbotikawo chanzi MC.
But you've had a lot of chance. You said a lot of nasty things to me. So I don't know. Am I supposed to just sit here and just?
It's a different person.
It's a different person.
It's a different person.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. By the way, I just want to say I can't see the live. So if there's, I actually can't see the live. I'm just on the phone with this man. Okay, so I can't see
we
anything.
can't even see who is who as well. Yes, we can't see who is who anyway.
Yeah.
What I can advise you, Muningina wangu kuti, I know it's really painful zvawaitwa naShaun, but just move on wochengeta mwana wako. Iye onofara zvake nemukadzi wake. I really understand it's hurting as of now, but as time goes on, uchaona kuti haangasina dhiri and angasiri wako chaiye
No, but that's my
someone.
point. That's the point that people are missing, right? Sissy, sorry, I don't know who you're talking to. Can I get your name? Sorry.
My name is Loretta.
Loretta, point to clarify something. Can I use your point? Sorry to interject.
Okay.
The reason I'm trying to actually tell you, this is the part that one of us who understand. Because, guys, I'm not here to teach you. Sexual coercion, I've explained. If you're not understanding, Google, use ChatGPT. I don't know how to explain to you, right? But the fact that he's behaving like this, right, in a certain way, is actually proving my case. That's the part that people don't understand. Yeah? Also, the other part people need to understand is they're not, it's Zimbabwe. You don't just go and say, I have a case, no. They will ask you what happened. They will ask you, what's your evidence? For me to come here, when I have a police case, it means that I am bound by the law to only speak what's correct. Do you understand? So if I move on, I've moved on, but I'm just saying, guys, I came here to clear my story because you see my mentality is because it's not a crime to actually have feelings for somebody.
No, it's not.
Don't act like you've never made a mistake with a man or a woman. And I think that's very unfair.
The way they are doing it, they are doing it this favor kuna Shaun. We are trying to build Shaun with Shaun. What you have done, he has played against my rules and regulations. Emma big bend at a number ana code play. We are telling him what the shamari verenga matems iwayo alidiga. Never mess with them if you really mean your future to continue. Never mess with my conditions. Nema terms echo the play. Nema big bands at how because you have proved yourself. What you have proved of yourself. Uno gonna, and it. But people here don't want to tell you the truth. But the truth is, we are about your future. Nothing more. But people here don't even get it. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate.
Unfortunately, people, guys, we're not going to chase it no tambura to the celebrity. No, there's no reason. What in any chat I is emotional. I didn't say to Shaun as I said, all I wanted was just putting one as Mazari. That's it. I'm forced Shaun. It's okay. Just let me know.
Right.
But don't come and now start attacking me after I've said that, and then you start attacking me because it's kind of $10 so like
70% of these people,
it's okay to judge
70% of these people don't even know Shaun.
Keep it respectful.
70% of these people don't even know Shaun.
Katokompa mukana aripo anditi makiziye to defend mnin'ina hanzvadzi yake handiti imimi munokwirawo muchitaura tongopanina mukana motaurawo zvamunofungawo tichiende takadaro chitaurai.
Alright, inini ndachida kungobvunzawo the sister kuti imimi kuya pasocial media uzotaura nyaya yenyu iri kuzokubatsirai how?
Those who are calling what's called because the palenda muri kufona pafoni muri kufona ndipo pane mnin'ina wangu saka musafona ipapo because ndipo paari haikwanise kupinda kutokwira palife.
So how is it going to help you? Because kana une nhubo, right?
Okay.
kutozvikwidza
Okay,
BP
I'll
nezvinhu
go
zvisina
first before
basa.
my sister goes ahead.
You
I'll
say,
go
I
first
can't
before
hear
my
her.
just wait,
Sorry.
No, sorry,
Chimbomira.
I had the question. Let me go ahead before you go ahead. So the reason why my sister is on this platform,
No,
I was trying to enlighten you.
now.
No,
Meg, can you
wait.
drop for a second?
No, pick from me. It's okay. I
What's the
got the
problem?
question. It's okay. The reason why my sister is right here is because we are here to try to align ourselves with integrity, nema social structures edeku Zimbabwe. We are not here to try to destroy anybody.
Sorry, your volume is low.
Yes, sorry, my volume. It's okay. Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's okay
Is it
now.
okay now? Yeah.
Mm.
So I was trying to say the reason why we are here with my sister, right? My sister has got massive interest in the Zimbabwean arts industry.
Okay,
But
all right.
it's unfortunate that she also went through the unfortunate that she has to go through. But
Yeah,
all she's saying,
Okay,
all she's
Sean.
saying,
Okay, all right. Ndinoda kungokupindura
no,
handina time
let me
yakawanda.
finish.
PM Chimbomira, hatina time yakawanda rega tingopedza. My sister, let me tell you something. If your brother is saying you have interest in the people in the music industry in Zimbabwe, if you want to work with them, nobody's gonna come and work with you with this drama. Iwewe uri mwana musikana waita mistake yako. Chengeta mwana wako. You said you are rich. Just continue kuchengeta mwana wako. Drama arisi necessary. Chingogara pasi upete muswe wako with your British
I
passport,
never
your
said I'm
British
rich.
citizen, and your businesses. Waita life yako and move on. Nokuti hapana pari kuzombodzoka kwauri.
I'm fine.
Atoita move on. Drama arisisiri necessary.
But did I? Sorry, can I just ask? What point did I say that I want him to be with me? Because this is
Sorry?
I'm getting attacked on that point of which I never said that.
Come again.
I'm just asking at what point, sorry, can you remind me when I said I wanted to be with him? I never said, Kuti, this is what I wanted. This is what everybody's just shouting at me for their own assumptions. I have clearly stated, right, that I broke up with, I don't know how else to say it. Maybe you can teach me the Shona way of saying it in a very clear manner. Because I'm saying it next room. I just saw that.
Let me tell you something.
But
Right now, you are. But izvezvi uri kuzvivhurira vanhu vakawanda vane bad energy.
I'm not trying to. You're coming at me, right? And I'm sorry. I have been honest with you guys. So all I'm asking is, if we're gonna.
Mwana chipo, just move on.
But don't say much over something that you assume.
Guys, let's disrespect Chuche with respect as well. That's some Chuche, but let's say our facts and points like
handina kumutuka ndamungomuudza zvakanaka kuti you don't force pazvisiri kudiwa. It's unnecessary kutomboita all this.
I didn't want him to get married. Guys, I don't care if he gets married. I told you, I told you, all I wanted to show you was, guys, like, don't try and blame Elle, because I'm not the one who lied to him and didn't tell him because he couldn't police case, whatever. Right? This is me telling my side of the story. I never came to tell people my side of the story. Of course, do you think Kuti, as pregnant as I am, do you know your pineapple for free? What do you think I'm gaining from this? Honestly, I'm not gaining. What am I gaining? Sorry?
Yes,
okay.
Sisimeli, from my point of view yangu, muskana uyu, she's hate, number one. Two, she's pregnant. As a woman, I'm only speaking as a woman. Chekutanga, and they can talk about nyaya condoms, my periods, and all that. All of us, we know. I'm not supporting the girl. Anipa akatadzawo as a woman, because she must have had boundaries pazvinhu zvaaita. Semunhu ane mwana kudhara wake, aifanira kungowa ane maboundaries ekuti ndakamboita mwana, I'm a single parent, ndakusangana ne-this guy.
Sisimeli, I'm sorry. Can we talk about this? Sisimeli, can I just address you? If the callers are going to keep addressing things that are not even relevant to what we're talking about, I'm going to have to can we end the live, or I'm just going to have to go? Because I don't understand how attacking other aspects of things that did or did not happen change. Kujotaura ndane nhumbu kuti she should have used morning after. What I say? We're doing. I'm open to advice, but you're not advising me. If you want to just
okay, can I just finish, Sisi? Sisimeli, what I was trying to say in this ekuti all of us, we are women. Unogona kutoshandisa condom rachona rugoputika, nhumbi inogona kutobata. Unogona kutonwa mapirits, wojambira, woda kukavhira. Vakadzi, they do that. Nhumbu dzichitobata, tinosangana nevakadzi vakawanda muzvipatara umo vachiita ma-abortions because nhumbu dzinenge dzatouya nepasiripo. Varume chaivo unogona kurara naye ine condom, otoribhesta otoita nhumbu. Saka nyaya yekuti nhumbu yakabata sei kana kuti yakauya sei, I don't think kuti that's the issue right now. The issue ndeyekuti pane mwana. As for mwana wese, Sisimeli, I think and I believe kana kuvarume vari kunzoko, even us as women, we all want our kids to have an identity. Hakuna mwana anozvarwa panyika panapa onzi asave ne-identity. I think what this lady is fighting for is the identity of the child. She no longer wants to fight for the man because mukadzi wari kurwisa naye. I think when I heard correctly ndezvekuti munhu uyu ari kuZimbabwe and this lady ari kuEngland. And I don't think kuti angafaitire distance yakadaro because chokwadi kutochiziva kuti this guy have moved on, haamudi. But the only thing, this lady, she's in pain because why? Pavaitodanana, vaitoudzana nyambo, and we all know as women, kuti we get fake promises. And atingati murume wese auya mulife mako, you start not to believe him. Nekuti ari kukunyebera. Hapana munhu akambonyeberwa akamboziva kuti ndiri kunyeberwa, Sisimeli. We were all lied. Takanyeberwa tese. And when they lie, they don't tell you kuti I'm lying to you. So the thing right now, if I heard it correct, angachiedza kutaura kuti all I wanted from this guy is kuti auye titaurirane tionesane sezvo ndaane nhumbu, so that titoziva kuti okay, nhumbu ndaanayo, what's the way forward yemwanawo and all that. I think all she wanted is kungove ne-identity yemwana wake. Hakuna mubereki kana kuti waita nhumbu nemistake, Sisimeli, usingade identity yemwana. Togona kunyeba zvedu as a single parent nekutsamwa because tarwadziswa. But hakuna munhu asingade murume, Sisimeli. Hakuna munhu asingade marriage. Hakuna munhu asingade kuziva kunobva mwana wake. Even mwana achikura, anotokubvunza kuti baba wangu anobva kupi. Samwe vakadzi isusu tiri kusangana nazvo when we are raising the kids. Vanotokubvunza. And even though takaramba chida kumuti musikana uyu akakanganisa, but let's think of this kuti mwana azokura anda kutanga kubvunza kuti okay mama makaita mistake, ada kuunderstand kuti mistake iyo yakauya sei and all that. Remember, it's on her shoulder. And this guy already moved on. Akanyebera munhu atove nelife yake. And isusu takungobhesha titi anga ane mukadzi, he should have checked and all that. You know men how they are. Atidi kuramba chingotaura. Kuna vakadzi vanonyeba, hatisi kutaura kuti vakadzi havanyebi. But on this case, musikana uyu, handifungi kuti nyangwe dai angada kupinira nhumbu, angai kunozvinyadzisa vedu vepapublic. She is in pain. And already she's starting mahormones chaiwo, first stage yenhumbu. And she's thinking like I'm all alone again with this child. So sometimes as us as human, tisingati vakadzi, we really need to ease up nevanhu. when they are going through a lot, let's understand them. It's a zakupindura ngane hasha. But when you are saying a story, hana kumbodinaya kuti what she did was wrong. She really said kuti I did wrong. But the only thing that I want to correct right now is nyaya yemwana. Of which she messed up. Hapana vakadzi simili vasingatokonfrante vakadzi vevarume vanenge vavanyembera. We all did that. Varimo vazhinji, especially those who are insulting me, are the first one ukutoti ndikazoti sisimeli mune murume, I will call you kuti ndikuudze kuti murume wenyu ari kuda nani. Only for you to feel pain. Sometimes we do all that as women. Saka ngatisade kunyebera because the situation iri pamwe munhu. Ngationesane chokwadi chiripo. The guy did also wrong. As a boy child, uri kuzwa kuti uri kunoroora in the next few days. You don't need to take advantage of vakadzi. Even mukadzi waari kugara naye zvatoratidza kuti in the future there is no trust, there is no future for them because zvaamhanyira kunoroorerwa izvozvo, she will still meet it in the future. Achasangana nazvo. Because this guy is not worthy to be called a name. Ndo varume tinenge tichitaura ivava. They would disrespect you. Atotanga disrespect on your first day of maroro. What about the future of this man?
Sorry, can I interject for 1 second? I just want to support your point. Sorry, can I just interject for 1 second? What you're saying, sorry, I don't know your name, caller, but munhu uyu payakabuda nyaya munozwa kuti haana kutombo apologize akatondituka kuti why did you send her my screenshots. What you're saying is true. Murume anenge asina kana issue nekuti abatwa ari kutonetseka kuti mukadzi azviziva chete. He still wanted to talk to me. That's why I'm getting very upset. Hey, you want to trap him? Like, guys, if Dalashida Shonka, I wouldn't even have to come on social media because I could just accept him because I've got my evidence. He wanted to come back and still talk to me. I told him, but why did you send him my screenshots? And for me and him to carry on. Sorry, continue.
Yeah, so on that part, Sismili, I think I was also trying to see kuti muskana answer Sisi. And I think the last thing that I can say also to my lady, I know you are hurt and I know you are in pain right now. And the Uripa platform kuti ubatsirwe. Remember, everyone is going to come with NEMA point of views. It might crush you, it might break you, it might feels like uruko attack, but remember, everybody they've got their own opinion. Opinion dzevano, this opinion yako. Iwewe is you. Chicha urukuda, what do you think is the best for you? Kuti sezvawani nhumbu, your mental health and everything. Zviri pauri, usakanganisike, because right now it's all about you. Ukabva palife panapa, you're going to think everything. You digest zvese zvataurwa nevanhu. Some of the things it will affect you, some they will do you good. And in the eyes of people, when I talk people, vari kujaja nevasiri kujaja, wakuita unga uri, nekuti munhu ane mukadzi ende zvese izvozvo zvaakuitika. Saka ina hanguwo sedunga munhu ndichedza kukuonesa mwanasikana. I know the frustration, I know how you feel, but kana uchikwanisa zvako, talk less about it and think more what you want to do with the future nemwana. And if it takes you to calm down and digest it very well, wonyatsotsvaga help ne people who can support you very well emotionally and mentally, because the journey of pregnant is very long for you.
Can I just reply you for a second? Sorry, I don't mean to interject. There's a lot of things that you're saying that I want to reply to, so I want to reply like when you're saying it. I didn't come on here, like guys, this has been going on for a long time, Majinzo. Like in the sense, for a whole month, Nakanyarara. Do you understand? Sorry, I'm getting a bit overwhelmed. I would cry by myself, right? And I was doing, this advice that you're giving me is exactly what I was doing, Auntie. I was like, you know what, I'm just going to focus on one and just leave it. But the issue came, prostitute, they're ruining my reputation, right? And it's been very abusive. And that's the part where I said, but why are you doing this to me? I didn't anything. I didn't ask for anything. Chanango kumbira, like you said, is for the child to have an identity. Ndakatumpa option because kana usingade chingotaura but yeah, I told it, no, I want my baby. But then as soon as you start talking to me, because I don't know what she was doing and saying, don't ku attack.
Yeah,
Right?
but also,
They would be doing all these things.
you need also to
For the rest of my
understand.
life, nichingo abuse whenever I know
No, but
advocate because the guys had to abuse what.
no, you are not being abused panapa. Iwo wakutozviabhusisa shamwari yangu ona.
I'm not
Wakaisa
talking
nyaya
about Panapa.
kumapurisa.
I'm talking about
Anditi.
between him and his wife. That's what I'm saying.
Okay,
Because that's why I came and I decided to speak out. Because
okay.
behind closed doors, what you guys don't know is they told me my message. She didn't say, "Hey, uri prostitute," and she was telling people this. Like she was telling people, "I'm a prostitute." Yeah, just to cover. Do you see what I'm trying to say? Because nobody. That's why she made the fake. She created
But
fake
one
family members.
also on that part, I don't want to lie to you. Going to the wife also was a wrong turn. It wasn't necessary though, because munoakaitara naye zvinhu ndishoni. And the last thing that I can say before I even go, ndezvekuti wona kadia,
But I had no
you have
other contact.
clarified,
I had no other contact. It
your
was
own
just, I
story.
understand it was not the right thing, right? But I'm
Yeah.
saying, because Sean Angandi blocker, and then I tried to speak to Sean's friend. That was what I said in the story. I said, I tried to speak, I can't go ignore, and I waited, actually, right? So I waited, I think, like a week or so, and then nothing. So then I went to the wife and I was like, look, I need to contact your family in this. I'm sorry. And I actually apologized to her. Right?
Yeah,
And I'm
you did well.
sorry for you to find out this way.
Yeah, ona kadia, you did well neku apologize, but ndoda kuti uone mukusiyana kwezvinhu. When we date us as women, when I talk about black women as Africans, when I say black, kune mablack ari kuEurope. Isusu as Africans, tine nzira dzedu dzekusangana nekuwanana nevarume. Uri kuedza kunzwisisa. Mitemo yeikoko nemitemo yekunokuno yachona inogona kusiyana. Unogona kuona iwewe kunge zvinhu zviri kuve unfair to you, but to other women vari kuuya nemaopinion avo vanoziva kuti varume ndozvavanoita. In our own learning isusu nenzira dzedu as we are in Africa iyi, pamba choti tisingatoona kuti no, the men have been taking advantage of you kana kuti ako abuse. Saka ipapo futi unofanira paongororawo pabata. What I will say lastly ndichidona zvangu ndechekuti wona kadhiye wauya waclarify, which is good. Right now nyaya yako mapurisa, I think it's the best way. Wachingofocasa nenyaya yako iri kumapurisa, whatever that you decide to do with Sean, it's all up to you. Then for the viewers who are,
I think the people are not understanding. Sorry, I think people are not understanding. Kuti, I know everyone just hears Kuti, oh, there's a girl that's pregnant, that means she wants something. No. If people come out of their assumptions, they would, and listen to what I'm trying to say, is that the reason one, I'm at the public, you've just said, there's a police case on this, right? It's very serious, right? Which means, Kuti, everything, even for me to come here, right, I have to be honest about, I cannot, and because it can be used against me, so it benefits me, it does not benefit me, sorry, to lie. It does not benefit me at all to lie. I can't come here and lie to you guys, right? But for me to speak my story is because, one, police case, and my name is the one that's at the cost. Fine, all right, sorry, but you cannot now go and now tarnish to cover for yourself. Do you see what I'm trying to say?
But that also
this is the reason I was supposed
you
to
have
come and
no
speak
power,
my story.
girl. As educated as you are, even Uruku English, dear, you have no power to control what people say. Yeah. You have no power to control someone who is angry, and that's same person. Remember, this woman in question, she's also in pain. She's also a victim more than the way that you are. Imagine the life that you get not shown for 2 weeks or a month. What about this woman akadetwa for so long, akapromiswa kutoitwa marora? Don't you think kuti kuronga kwese kwemaroro, it took so many years? And how lies come after munhu akunorora? which pain do you compare? I understand kuti une nhumbu and I can't compare both ladies mapain enyu, but no doubt utarise side remukadzi wauri kuedza kuda kuunza in the picture. She is in more pain. And imagine the damage kuti paachatogara nemurume iyeyu haasisina trust also pana Shoni. There is a lot already going on. Even iwewe, as much as you want to try to kuda kutaura naShoni, don't you think also Shoni is trying to fix zvinhu zvaakakanganisira mukadzi wake?
I just said I want to speak my truth, guys. That's what I said. Can we speak to the facts? Because I've not even said I want
no,
any
but
of
you
those
said
things.
Sean
All I've
blocked
said
you.
is I want to come and say my
Sean
truth.
blocked you, Priya. Sean blocked you because he wanted to fix his home. Sean, he wanted to fix the person that he lied for years. And was the one.
Though, that's what I'm saying. Like, you can say that to appease the he's unblocked me now. I don't have any issues now, Sean. I think that's the way you're. I think that's what people need to understand. By the way, I don't have any issues personally with Sean.
You have issues with Sean because if you didn't have issues with Sean, you are not going to be here in clearing Kutinya Kamira say and also teaching us about how the police.
Put words in my mouth. Meli, I think you need to interject because, like, I can't.
No, but
I've already said this.
Because you were the one educating us. You were the one educating us about the law. So that if you were good with Sean, you were not going to take that step here. That's realistic one. There was no way that you would go to take an action yellow kana Sean wango murim good books. I wanna Sean murim good books. You could have ironed this patching makatopedzerana without involving the police.
But you are not good with Sean. Where do you stay? Do you stay in UK?
No, but what it's not about staying. I'm only telling you,
okay,
try to understand what is there.
I don't mean to sound rude, Auntie. I'm sorry, Paula, but can you not comment
just
on things you don't understand?
In as much as you are in denial, you understand that the more you accept your situation, the more you can go home.
Something you don't understand.
Hello. This girl is attacking herself. Ndiye ari kutozviita her own enemy because she don't know what she wants. That's the truth. Yes, of course, dear, you are pregnant. You are a woman. People have heard you.
This is not even making sense.
People are attacking you. Remember when you were talking, people were listening to you. According to what you were saying, why are you saying you are being attacked?
So
no, because why do you feel attacked? According to what you were saying, there are people who are feeling for you. There are people who understand you. There are also people that will be but
I'm like, yeah,
and also you are here also to the same way that you don't want your name to be tarnished.
Can you please mute her for a second? Because you have to understand, I've said this several times now. Because of an active police case, I can only answer on things that are factual. Right? On how I am based on how you think the law is. Right? You have to. See, she has no interest in the truth. But the only interest is just to make me feel bad. You don't have an interest in understanding anything.
The same way that you don't want your name to be tarnished, watotanisha mukadzi waShoni, ukatanisha Shoni wacho. And the issue is wamuisa pa limelight Shoni wacho.
But you are his own actions, and their actions did that themselves, actually. And I think it's very, very enabling to actually think it's my fault for their actions. I think you're now trying to attack me because you just like them. And it's okay. It's okay to be in the fans. It's okay to be on their side. But you cannot force me. You can force me to agree to what you're saying.
But why you urikuda kuti vanhu vauye kuside kwako usiri kuona masaidi ese urikuda kungofungiwa
iwewe be on my side. If you don't want to be on my side, it's okay. I'm just telling the truth. But I'm saying you cannot say I punish somebody's name based on their own actions.
pamusic yake nezvaari kuda kuita. Iwe waita nyaya kumapurisa shonosungwa oregedza kupinda kuEngland, then your life goes on neupenyu hwako.
Is it my actions or is this his actions?
But it's both of you maka collaborate and then the collaboration.
You answer me that. Did I force him?
You collaborate because Pamaita said unit.
When he took my number, did I force him? Were you there?
No, you collaborate because you are coming to sell a gift, mama. So it a 10 on mama. So
that's what I'm saying. You cannot. I did not force him. He's shown.
I'm saying it's not second time. You could have go report kuti. Then she was present, but we cannot put that. Sis Melly again, you don't know.
I'm sorry, and I know. Thank you very much, Sis Melly. Sorry, I can't answer any questions from this caller because it's just not gonna. I should move there because there's nothing that I can say that I can't. All of her accusations are not based on anything factual. I can't answer her. Sorry. Right. And similarly, that's why I'm asking you to moderate because this has to stay factual.
Remember, also as a host, I cannot interject when people are talking as well. You know, so that's a little bit tricky because when they're talking,
I'm saying, can you try and moderate?
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, I'm asking you to moderate because it has to stay factual. Like, you can't just come and just start saying things just for the sake of saying things. You know.
Right.
All of everything she's saying kuti but I'm like, we've already established this. For the police to take a case, there has to be evidence. The evidence is created by the perpetrator.
All right.
So you can't come because of things he did.
Okay, Sarah, what's the way forward now?
The way forward, my way forward is like I said, all I did 2K can I'm still fine. But I've said my truth. You understand? Because in any I'm fine and whatever. We are perfectly fine. I'm happy to move on. I'm not interested. People are saying, hey, you have a problem, Sean. The problem is Sean. Like I told you at the very start of this conversation, Hansi, I was the one pleading. I have a duty of care. England, maybe you don't understand what duty of care is. It was a due diligence. Sister Mary, do you understand due diligence?
Due diligence, yes.
Do you understand it? Can you please explain due diligence? Because it seems like so can you please explain what a duty of care is? And can you explain due diligence? Could you know Shanda say in England so that people can hear it from you? Could you say explain and then you agree or not agree? Is that better?
All right.
Okay, due diligence, England. Any person that is in England and working in UK, when a crime happens, Mapurisa, they say, you have a due diligence. It means, you have the responsibility by law to report immediately. Something and you didn't report it. Do you know that? Am I lying?
Of course.
Is it true?
Very true.
Right? Now, the issue is, Sisimeli, as we're saying, you know that assessments are because of duty of care. Am I wrong? Am I right?
True.
How is he behaving? Am I wrong? Am I right?
Right.
If Baba has done things like this, because they'll ask me, why is he supportive? If I say no, they'll ask me, why is he not supportive? They will say, so if he's not supporting you, and he's just, or he's told you, all right, you're saying it's a flea. If he's made you believe, you have feelings, and then he's not supporting you, what will they say, Sismeli?
Come again.
If I tell them, Kuti, Baba was Kuti supporter, and then I tell them, Kuti, Munu Ane Munu Wake Zimbabwe, and when I was with him, I didn't know, and that's how I found myself in this situation. What will they say?
I don't know. I'm trying to tell you.
That's what I'm trying to help you understand, Muteme Weku, UK, right?
Mm-hmm.
They will say, "Kuti, Iwewe is a man. Every has a responsibility, right? In UK, Zimbabwe, I know Kuti unogona kuita chiro icho, unogona kuita benzi, hapana munhu anokubvunza ita, hapana munhu anokusunga. Kunogona kufunga kuti ndikandirikwetire panze, unosunga woendaso kumental hospital, worambidzwa kubuda at least for 72 hours. Am I wrong or am I right?
True.
Here in England, they don't tolerate just any behaviors. You understand? So in my situation, the fact that they will now say to, okay, fine, he doesn't have to be better, but why is he not helping you? They'll ask, and I'll say, I don't know. He's just blocked me after he's gone back to Mkadzwake. If I say that, they'll now say, hold on, but Inga one aita singer anokuda. And I'll say, yeah, and that's automatically is the coercion. Because people, maybe my jaira kunyeperana vanu, but here, even if what jaira kunyeperana vanu, and if you are used to manipulation, it's not okay. It's a crime. Do you understand?
No,
so if they now find out, am I lying, Sisimeli?
No, it's true. We are leading.
It's true. Exactly. And even to this, not just even if you want to say, no, it's to manipulate people. Not just the crime in the UK. What my brother was telling you guys, Kuti, Sean aka sign a contract. Auntie. That contract is called an ethics and whatever Ningi contract. As an artist, you have to abide by the law. You have to abide and be a certain example. Dio Ningi contract yaka signer. So even in his behavior, just because Tidima Zimbabweans we want to say he would have known Shandi. Right? So when he made that active decision, do you understand? In any, I have the duty of care to report, because if I don't report, she seems to be still under the influence of this abuser. Am I wrong? Am I right?
True.
That's what they'll say, Auntie. And if I continue like that, as you are saying, Ningima viewers, you are saying I should just concentrate on Wanang. So how do you want me I should just concentrate on my pregnancy and move along? Didn't you threat you because of Sean and his behavior? Because I have no choice. So what will happen, right? What will happen now is like it's gonna be a long thing, but it's in a record. That's what I was trying to say, Kuti guys. This in my truth was just that these guys were now trying to make it look like before Aurora. Let's be clear with the facts. Do you understand that?
Okay.
Right? And it's a Aurora on Sunday. Right? Before Barora. So in the house of dude, can you please sort Nyayazako? Because in the Sean, I have my messages. It's mainly you've seen. Can you confirm you've actually seen evidence?
No, I've seen the messages.
Yes. Sisimeli has seen the messages. And I told her, Sean, no, can you please? Sisimeli, did you not see me begging? You saw the messages when I sent you because I was begging the sister. Can you please be amicable, because and this could have you saw the message, right? So that's why I'm just saying it's unfair. But I'm like, no. Sean, Dimona asina kuita say asina pass on information. Pass on information, and they want me to be the person to be blamed for everything. And this is why I came to tell my story. I don't want drama, but at the end of the day, andinga risk ukuthi mwana wangu atore, andinga risk reputation yangu jese kuti ngifazi vanhu kuti so that people say muskano yakutambra ega and she's suffering alone, and that's what makes people happy. I can't do that.
No, I think for now let's just leave it. toona kuti mapurisa pachauya vanosvikana vanosvitsa papi, then you tell us.
Yeah, it's not just mapurisa. Nyaya kune promoters. It's very serious as well. Kuma promoters. It's not just like mapurisa that are the issue.
Okay.
But I need to be honest with you. I came here. I'm gonna be honest and say, Kuti, I don't even think Kuti. I don't think how it's wise for me to update you now because in that
Okay, no, that's fine. Updating us, that's okay.
Yeah, because not in whatever I say, people don't want to understand. They just want to criticize. So there's no point spread probably. I don't know. What do you think?
I think since you brought it here, people would want to know. That is only if you feel like.
Remember, I can't see what people are saying. I can't see my comments. I can't see. I don't know if
Yeah,
there's another
yeah. I was not also following the comments. I was not also watching the comments.
Yeah.
But you will go through the comments and you'll see. Or sometimes you have to just listen to our.
I forgetting my comments because I know what people. The problem is. Am I still on the live?
Yeah, we are on the live. But if you want me to cut it off, I will. I can cut it off.
No, I wasn't sure, but I'm just saying, what people don't realize, because there's cultural clash here. Just remember, Zimbabwe is not the whole world, right? The things that happen in Zimbabwe, because Zimbabwe, kana uri mukadzi wakarepwa, iwe ndiwe unotogona kutukwa kuti warepwa, right? People blame the woman. Manje kuno kuti tinema women's rights, right? So a country that functions with women's rights and rights for everybody, there's laws that you have to abide by for the country to function in a way that everybody is abiding by the law. Which means because the expectations that you have, right, for me to behave, it's not like Zimbabwe. I'm not in Zimbabwe, and the school in a way because I have my own things. I pay my own bills. I pay my own things. I was doing that before I met Sean. So why I don't have pressure. I go to do something from him. Sean, Sean will tell you because ansana to mkumbra kana dola. Ansanda mkumbra kana dola. Sato to mondipa kana dola yacho. So it's not like in Sean, our relationship was never even about money. It was never about any benefits. We just enjoyed each other at the beginning. Anyway, that's what I'm saying. Someone I told those I'm showing the screenshots, isn't it? Sean, Ajitala Kuti, it's more than just sex. He wants something with me. That's my story, Kuti. Guys, if you have a boy child, if you are listening and you have a boy child, all I'm saying is Titi Saiba Navenue Kuti Tambe ne Vaskana Shakanaka, Tambe Vakati Shakanaka, because at the end of the day, this is what can happen. You don't want your child to enter. Sisi Meli, did you hear that story in Dubai?
No, which one?
There was that black boy, Akasna Kuds, Asna Tsura. He was 18, and then him and his family went on holiday. To Dubai, auntie. And then he was with a girl there. And she was 17, an Asian girl. My watch was very racist, right? Vakasinga de kuti mwana muskana aite relationship ne mwana mkomanane arimtema. My watch vakaudza mapurisa kuti this black boy slept with my daughter in Dubai. It was illegal. While this boy was English and he was on holiday, in the English law, it was not illegal because he was 18, she was 17. Here, your age of consent is 16. Could Dubai age of consent is 18. So I'm following Mutemo. This 18-year-old boy spent a year in Dubai. I can't go in the 1 year in prison. Okay. And that 1 year was only because people campaigned.
All right.
Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Yeah. So I'm doing what guys, let us, aside from your feelings, understand that there are laws that countries have to abide by.
Okay.
And it would be good if you teach your boy children, yeah.
All right. All right. No, we are listening to Kushinzwa. Thank you very much, my dear, for bringing the story to us to understand it. So, guys, finally, Shoni uyu akauya nenyaya yake kumapurisa ari kutsvagwa nepolisi yakamumirira then tozotanga kuona kuti chinofamba sei.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Sis Melly.
Thank you very much, my sister. Bless you. So, guys, mainzwa nyaya, but unfortunately macomments astopa haachafambi saka handisi kutombokwanisa kana kuona macomments kuti zviri kufamba sei chichikuitika or whatever what is happening. Ndabva ndashaya kuti zviri kufamba sei kana pamacomments apo ndoshaya kuti zviri kufamba sei astopa macomments angomira kudhara saka handisi kutombona kuti what is going on ipapapa. But anyway, she just wanted to share a story. I said, I'm so tired. Guys. So guys, look at time then on to bad 2 hours to some time. Until guys, bye bye.